जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 14th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, you are an Atma. You are in this body." So when Atma is with body, known as Bhutam. Like this, entire Srishti, entire universe has so many Bhutas. So for all these Bhutas to be able to live, what is the essential thing? Food. So only because of the food, you and all these bhutas are able to live and again able to give birth to children. Like this, for all of you to be living, the very essential thing, the very cause for your life is food. That means annam. Where from that food comes? Only when it rains. So where from that rain comes? Only when yajnas are performed. To perform yajnas, you need all the things to do yajna and those things to be earned by you. Like this, earning is an act. It is called karma. So when these karmas are carried out, yajnas will be performed. When yajnas are performed, rain comes. When rain comes, there will be very good food available. When the food is available, then the entities will be able to live on this earth. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma is trying to prove or show a cycle in which we are, and also Krishna Paramatma helping us to understand what kind of responsibility we are holding in this entire cycle. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यात् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always keep meditating upon me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties and activities to impress me. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings through at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall always remember the fact that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra now responding back to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Raja, those who are in this clutches of birth and death, after they going through so many cycles, after they going through so many pains and sufferings, and once they started realizing that how are we going to get the ultimate goal, how are you going to get ultimate purpose, when they started thinking, when they started to attaining the eternal bliss, for all of them, those who are wanting to attain eternal bliss, there is only one means, there is only one option, that is Sri Krishna Bhagavan Nama Sankirtanam. O Raja, do not worry. You know that you have 7 days. You may be thinking that my life is going to be ended within 7 days. You may be thinking that I do not have enough time. Don't worry about that, because varam muhurtam viditam ghatate shreyase yataha. Even if it is 1 second, if you pay complete of your attention, if you are focused, if you just do Bhagavan Namam within that 1 second, that itself gives you the ultimate bliss, eternal bliss. O Raja, once upon a time there used to be a king called Khatvanga. Khatvango Namarajarshihi. He helped all the devatas. Because Khatvanga helped devatas, devatas told Khatvanga to help him that, O Khatvanga, now you have only 1 muhurtam of your lifetime. You are almost going to die now. So Devatas told him that. The moment Devatas told, the Khatvanga did not get worried, did not get depressed. But within that given 1 muhurta kalam, he felt that nothing is mine in this entire creation. He strongly felt that this body is not mine. and so he completely detached himself from all kind of worldly things, and he surrendered to Sriman Narayana, Gatavan Abhayam Harim. Within that one Muhurta Kalam, he did all this within his bhavana, and he attained moksham, he attained the divine abode of Sriman Narayana. O Parikshit Narendra, but now look at you, you have Saptaham Jivitavadhihi, you have 7 days of your time. So you don't have to worry. Now you have to make the best use of these 7 days. What you need to do is, after you depart from this body, you have to learn which is the best place to attain. And in order to attain that, in order to reach that place, what you need to do now. So all these things within these 7 days you have to think, you have to decide, and you have to do it. Upakalpaya tat sarvam. You have to do everything within these 7 days. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. మాభీర్మంద మనోవిచింత్య బహుధా యామిశ్చిరం యాతనాః నామీనః ప్రభవంతి పాపరిపవః స్వామీ నను శ్రీధరః ఆలస్యం వ్యపనీయ భక్తిసులభం ధ్యాయస్వ నారాయణం లోకస్య వ్యసనాపనోదనకరో దాసస్య ఖిన్న క్షమః. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 3rd chapter 14th శ్లోక. అన్నాద్భవంతి భూతాని పర్జన్యాత్ అన్నసంభవః యజ్ఞాత్ భవతి పర్జన్యో యజ్ఞః కర్మసముద్భవః. అన్నాద్భవంతి భూతాని పర్జన్యాదన్నసంభవః యజ్ఞాద్భవతి పర్జన్యో యజ్ఞః కర్మసముద్భవః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.